Hello, my name is Stephanie Alma, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bernie Sanders' political campaign ad for 2020. He's actually now no longer in the race, but I do believe this campaign ad had a lot of positive messages that I'd like to shine light on because it's what, in my opinion, has made it go viral. So let's take a look.
Real change never takes place from the top on down, but always from the bottom on up.
Bernie Sanders' healthcare for all idea is gaining steam.
Free tuition, free college tuition, free tuition champion, Senator Bernie Sanders.
Bernie Sanders added, the greatest threat to national security is climate change.
The future of our planet is at stake.
Sanders taking on Amazon.
Bernie Sanders has been consistent hammering about income inequality.
Nobody in America works 40 hours a week, should be living in poverty. So our economy is rigged. We have a campaign finance system which is corrupt.
So I'm going to stop right here. What I think one of the most important parts that Bernie does shine light on is obviously the inequality between many individuals in the world today. He brings across the topics of Medicare for all, which other countries have and we don't. He brings free tuition, which other countries have and we don't. And these are very important, along with climate change issues that people today are facing, especially millennials. In this point in time, it's pretty tough to survive on your own without any help from parents, from loved ones, from scholarships. So it really is an important topic that I think he has brought upon everyone to really take a look at this and and stand up for us and really say, hey, this is not fair.
Sanders leading the charge to stop war against Yemen. The first time ever the Senate has voted to end an unauthorized war.
The fight against injustice has been the work of his life.
Jobs and education, not jails and incarceration. We are not going to retreat on women's rights.
Sanders pushing a bold agenda that includes protecting DACA recipients and comprehensive immigration reform.
You don't rip little children away from the arms of their mother.
A major announcement from Amazon. Amazon will raise its minimum wage to $15 an hour. 350,000 workers.
Thousands of workers at Disney World will get raises. It's a victory for Bernie Sanders.
It's a victory for all of them.
Another issue that Bernie talks about is inequality. He talks about the whole issue that we're having with immigration now and how these children are being taken away from their loved ones, from their mothers and fathers, and put in these ICE institutions where it's kind of jail-like. So he definitely brings all these issues to our attention, issues that we probably never in a million years would think that we're in 2020 dealing with in today's world. But unfortunately, with the leadership we have, this is what our world has really come to. So I think people feel the pain. People understand that this is not okay. And that's another thing that's made this gone viral, because a lot of people feel exactly what Bernie is saying here, and they want a different life for their families, for people they don't even know.
Brothers and sisters, we have a lot of work in front of us. If we are prepared to stand together, there is no end to what the great people of our nation can accomplish.
I believe the reason Bernie Sanders has gained so much popularity is because he's saying exactly what the majority of Americans are thinking, and he's shining light to these inequalities, he's shining light on injustice, and he really just wants, a better world for all of us. And I think especially in the time we're in now, that's the stem of everyone else as well. We want better for ourselves, we want more for ourselves, and we need different change. We need a change in leadership, really. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're staying well.